Shift your weight into your left foot and bring your right foot to your ankle, lower leg, or inner thigh. It's crucial that your foot rests either above or below your knee, as your knee is not designed to bend laterally. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up overhead. Exhale, relax your shoulders and reach up through your fingertips. Try to stay in the pose for a few breaths. Press your left foot firmly into the mat. Engage your core, relax the muscles in your face and reach up. Don't worry if you fall over. Just try to recover your balance and come back into the pose. Take one more deep breath in, reach up. Exhale, release the pose and bring your right foot back to the mat. Shift your weight into your right foot and bring your left foot to your ankle, lower leg, or inner thigh. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up overhead. Exhale, reach up. Press into your right foot, lengthen your spine, relax your shoulders and reach up. Maybe even bring your palms together. Try to stay as still as you can, but don't worry if you lose your balance and have to come back into the pose a few times. Breathe in and out through your nose. Take one more deep breath in, reach up. Exhale, release the pose and bring your left foot back to the mat.